Ooh, what's going on, guys? It is come on. It is, as of right now, as you guys can see right here, 6:59 a.m. Market opened about 29 minutes ago. I'm about to go live with the Learn Plan Profit team. Why am I going live a little bit later? Well, the crude oil report is today, which means that 1 hour after the market opens, the crude oil report comes out, either drives the price up, drives the price down. It's super exciting. It's something that we really like to trade. I traded live for about 30 minutes. So instead of going live at market open and then closing it out right about this time, I'm just gonna go live 30 minutes after the market opens and then fulfill that live stream. So we got actually crude oil selling off. It's a little bit more on the overbought side, overextended. And it should be an eventful day. The market's been super choppy, so hopefully we can end it on a green note. That just means that, again, we have to be selective. We have to be very consistent and always wait for that confirmation, especially with the market being so choppy. And that's the easiest way for me to put it. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's have some fun to make some money. All right, guys, so this is the Learn Plan Profit Group. We wanted to give you guys some quick piece of advice for all of our beginners that are just getting started. You guys can feel free to pause it here. But yeah, so the crude oil report just came out. We just are about to finish trading live. It had a huge push up. Now crude oil is a little bit more on the overextended side. It's still an uptrend. And we talked about the risk of DWT and the descending pattern and stuff like that. But yeah, we have everyone commenting right now. Boom. All right, guys, and there we have it. So that was a quick little trade that I just took. That was $1,100 on DGAS. I'm just gonna go ahead and let the team know. So just sold DGAS 1.132 profit. Come on, Ricky. Oh, it's still selling off. There it goes. So it's still pushing up, still showing signs of an uptrend. It's pushed up about $1 since I sold. Obviously, that would have been nice. That would have been amazing for me to be able to take that position on. And there it goes. It just hit one. Oh, wow. It's definitely pushing up. There it goes. RSI. RSI is becoming a little bit more on the overextended side. So is the MACD. And one of the things that I want to take into consideration is /NG is right back at its potential support. So we might see a bounce here on natural gas if it continues this overall uptrend pattern. So again, this thing was showing signs of a peak formation, began to sell off, and then that is exactly when I began to heavily add more to my position size. And I'll show you guys this very quickly. So I'll click here, I'll click show trades. And this is how it worked out. So I took this position during the live stream. I saw a lot of consolidation, saw a good deal, obviously before confirmation, so just 200 shares. And then it began to indicate signs of an uptrend. I only average up. I don't like to average down. Added more to my position size and then locked in profit at indication of a resistance. So had a lot of fun, $1,100 profit. Now time to enjoy the rest of the day. All right, team, so here we have it. So again, showed signs of an uptrend, became overbought, overextended, began to sell off. That's when I added more to my position size on DGAS, because the more that natural gas sells off, the more that DGAS pushes up, which is the inverse ETF. Again, SMA line has been acting as a support. Now natural gas is finding a support and beginning to make higher highs, which means that then DGAS is then beginning to potentially pull back and sell off. Looking at the RSI and looking at the MACD, it 100% makes sense because it's overextended. And again, here is my overall profit on the day, right, for ticker symbol DGAS. And yeah, had a lot of fun trading it. Right now it's 7:50 a.m. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get some breakfast of champs.
Welcome home, son.
Can I get 4 sausage, egg McMuffins? And 2 hash browns. That's going to be all. Thank you.
Taking that time right behind my back, and I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette.
And this is how crude oil ended up performing. So again, it was showing signs of an uptrend over here. I had a really nice push up once again. This is the time that I was, as you guys saw when I was at McDonald's, I ended up locking in profits. The overall direction ended up changing, so it was showing signs of a support right around this green line, which is, you know, what tends to act as a support. But as it broke below it, it then began to act as a resistance, as you guys could see over here. It then began to break below the middle VWAP, and every time that it would push up, it would get rejected by the overall SMA line. And this is also another perfect example of the market being a little bit more inconsistent and, you know, like just more choppy. So usually it follows through with its pattern throughout the entire market. The past 3 days have been extremely choppy for me in my trading, and you can see that there's been a change of direction that can really mess people up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Feel free to drop a comment down below. Tomorrow is one of my favorite days when it comes down to trading in the stock market. It's the natural gas report, and this, in comparison to the crude oil report, I just personally have enjoyed trading the natural gas report much more than the crude oil report, just because I see there to be much more volatility. But yeah, that's my preference. If you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, be sure to click that second link in the description. You guys heard me talk about them in this video. It's the Learn Plan Profit group. It's the only group that I work with on a closer basis. So if you like my videos and you like the way that I break things down, I would love to work with you. And again, that is the only option that I offer if you're wanting to get started and learning how to trade in the stock market. If you guys want to join our free live trading session, we do this once a month. Make sure you save your spot. That's going to be that first link in the description. And really looking forward to having you guys tune in this Friday for our free live trading session. So like always, guys, hope I earned a thumbs up. Hope you guys can subscribe. Make sure you turn on those post notifications to get alerted anytime that I go live or that I post a new video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, again, feel free to drop them down below. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green out. Take it easy, team.